was really a nice experience, especially, of course, because it's one of us. It's a black woman, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited that to see a black woman having products out, and it's for your hoo-ha, for your girl down there, for her, for she, made by humans with vaginas for humans with vaginas. I love that because it takes one to know one. Bam. Hi guys, welcome back to Nelly Doing Things. I am back again. I'm going to be reviewing something that I actually been waiting to review for actually months now when I think about it. It's been a while, so sit back, relax. It's gonna be a cute little review, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Well, let's get into the review. So if you can see from the title, the review is gonna be over honey pot. I finally got my hands on some honey pot. I've been waiting to get my hands on her stuff. I feel like Target online, and it never even showed up in my local stores, but it showed up online like crazy, but then people just, it was gone. I feel like I went back the day or two or the week after that, it's been gone, and hasn't been back since, until I randomly was in Target one of these days. These bad boys were right there on the end cap. I don't know why they showed up just now. I want more. I seen she had wipes and all kinds of stuff. I want more. But for now, I was able to get the Sensitive Foaming Wash, and then I got the Awakening Jasmine Panty Spray. This actually, let me get into the Sensitive. So on the Sensitive, 100% natural, plant-based, no parabens, no dioxides, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. Gynecologists love it. Nice. pH 3.5 to 4.5 balance. So I see on the ingredients: purified water, apple vinegar, sunflower seed oil, lavender flower oil, other essential oils, root extract, grapefruit seed extract. A lot of these, and there's some garlic in there. pH balance for you is lavender, vinegar, and calendula. I said that right. Y'all know I can't pronounce stuff like that, but hopefully I said it right. The vinegar threw me off when I first seen it. I said, but it's apple, I guess apple vinegar. But I was like, first time I seen that, I was like, I don't know, vinegar. But the lavender really did. I was like, well, let me try it. So when this says 3 pumps, I did about, because I was just like, I want to see how it is and sensitive, because they had a regular one there, and I was like, well, let me just try the, sensitive one first. So I tried it, and when I tried the sensitive one, I did not pump 3 times. I pumped about 8 times, because it took forever for it to come out. So when it did come out, I still pumped about like 5 to 7 times, because I'm like, I want it. I want to really feel it. I like a lot of soap, a lot of suds. Probably not good pH balance, whatnot, but I really did want more. So at first I used it, to get all the girl on the outside. You gotta wipe her on the outside, and then you get your little wash rag, and then swoop her up, right? And I didn't have to use a lot of pumps, of course, with that one inside, but on the outside I was like, I want more. I want it to be foamier. So I think the next one I would actually try is just the original one, I believe, because I seen this one and it was another one, and I was like, well, let me try sensitive, because I don't know, all the ingredients, but I'm really interested and I want to try her stuff. But the smell actually, let me get the smell. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if I got to show you, but yeah, it says all this on there. Regular pump, because of like a little topper. Yes, like I smell like the vinegar in there, but I smell a lot of lavender. And all day, I was checking, you sit on the bed, you're chilling out, and you just try to see, whiff to just see like how's it smell now, and clean again and see. To me, it doesn't really have a scent at all. Once, of course, when you wash it off, but like in your hand, you can smell the cider, and the bottle, you can smell the cider. I don't know, to me, I guess I'm expecting so high. But I think it's because I got the sensitive one, and I want to try the regular one, because I'm like, sensitive one, it did a job, it cleaned me, it was fine. But I really want to see if something's a little more creamier. I don't know, I know they're both probably foam wash, but I I'm curious. I want to try the other one too. I want the other one too, just because this stuff is really good quality. I believe this was, I want to say either $8.99, and I believe this one was $7.99. Either one, they're both under 10 bucks. The next item we're going to move into is the Awakening Spray. So the Awakening Jasmine Panty Spray, talc-free, neutralize odors. Ooh, one cool fact I found out when I was reading this thing, you can use it for your panties, underarms, feet, and your shoes. I said, underarms has aloe vera, mineral salts, and jasmine. I said, okay, underarms. I was like, so this can be like a pepper up kind of, like mini deodorant kind of situation. So I was like, well, let me see real quick. And it is, it's really nice. When I was outside a little bit today, mask is on. Make sure you guys keep your mask on, wash your hands, or gloves too if you want to wear some gloves. Make sure you throw them in the trash. But make sure you're keeping everything clean. Don't stand too close to people. 6 feet, okay? But yeah, this, I came home afterwards, got some groceries, and I was like, well, you know what? I said, let me see. It does smell good. It's, like I said, it's just the normal like wet spray. Now I have to admit, this, like I said, it goes on wet, and I did spray my panties with it. I didn't spray my shoes. Oh, I should spray my shoes today because I did wear some little sneakers, but I ended up just spraying my armpits and, you know, the girl down there. And so when I sprayed her, I mean, when I sprayed her, I really liked it, because when I was sleeping at night, I just kept on like moving my legs. I was like, I want to smell the jasmine come out, and a little bit of jasmine still came out. So it was nice. I tell you one thing, my panties do still smell good. So every time I go to the bathroom today, I really am like, oh, I can still smell a little bit of jasmine on my panties. Cause I was like, hey, it's not bad. I like it. Actually, I think if you use this panty spray, but if you use this after you work out, and you spray your armpits and your shoes and all that stuff with it, this would be a good workout item as well. So past it just being just for feminine care, you can use it for exercise as well. Out of the two products, I actually have to admit, I like the spray more than the wash. I already use another vaginal kind of wash that I'm just kind of like, okay, you know, I like that one that smells kind of like coconut. Yeah, I'm like, out of the two, I think I really do like the spray a little bit more than the foaming wash, because this is universal. You can use this on multiple occasions. The two, I think they're affordable for the price, definitely. I wish you had a kit, like a whole kit at Target. Oh, that'd be perfect. Give me a kit of everything from like sensitive to normal to full, whatever it may be, the categories that she has. That would be great if she gave like travel kind of sets, or even just like a bundle, even if it's full size, but like just a bundle, like, hey, if you're sensitive, take this bundle for like 25 or 20 bucks. Like that would be awesome, because I would definitely buy that packet, because I would like to try her whole line, really. I want to just have my girl down there on a whole thing, so she know this is honey pot. Like, you're doing this now. It's really nice. It's like really special too, because you just feel connected. Like, oh, like I'm talking to sis. Like she telling me like, girl, here, take it. And I'm just kind of like, okay. I want more things from her, more things in my local Target, or just to stay online so I can buy it. Shoot. Because she sold out. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm glad she did. She deserved it all to sell out. I'ma really need to get my hands on more of her things. That was my review of Honey Pot's Feminine Care, her Sensitive Foaming Wash, and her Awakening Jasmine Panty Spray. I want to say thank you again for watching my video. Hope you liked the review. And also too, let me know in the comments below, are you going to pick it up, or you got some more to tell me about, or is if you guys know another Black women owned product for like feminine care, please let me know, because I would love to buy it and I would love to review it. So also, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, and check out my next videos to come, and go and check out the previous videos too that I put up. They're for you. They're there for you. See you guys next time. Bye.